Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad. Today I want to present my math projects. I am doing question number 6 and 8. Okay, so first question number 6a. Find H4. This is HR, so you can just do H4 is equal to 4 over 4, which is 2, 5, 6. Find FG1. Yes, we can find the G first. So G1 is equal to y squared plus 1 is equal to 2, and then fg1 is equal to 3, 2 plus 2 to 8. And then find g of x in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So on, we just sort it down first. Okay. And then bracket 3x plus 2 squared plus 1. This should get us 9x squared plus 12x plus 5. Okay? 9x squared plus 12x plus 5. After that, find x when fx is equal to g7. Is 3x plus 2 is equal to 7 squared plus 1. After the subject, 3x 7 squared plus 1 minus 2 become 48. Divide 48 with 3, so x equal to 16. And then find the f inverse of x. So first, make y equal to 3x plus 2. We change the y with x, become x is equal to 3y plus 2, make y as a subject. X minus 2 over 3 is equal to y. Write it down again as the f inverse, and then get as x minus 2 over 3. And after that, find gx over fx plus x. Give your answer as a single fraction in terms of x in its simplest form. Okay, so it will be x squared plus 1 over 3x plus 2 plus x, which is over 1, cross multiplication, bracket x1 plus 1 plus x bracket 3x plus 2 1 3x plus 2. You open the bracket, times it, and all of that, and you should get 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. Find h inverse of x, 1 is equal to 2. This one can just use log. This right, x 2, and then log base 4 f(x) equal to 2. Put it into calculator, and then you get 16. Okay, so then I wanna discuss the marking scheme for this. Right? So you can see question number 1, 6a, 256, you get the correct one. Question 6b, 2 marks. Okay, we did the same thing. So that's for 1, get 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for the answer, get 2. And then this g of x is 3 marks. Okay, we did the thing, right? Get 3 marks for here. 16, 2 marks, same thing. Then e, okay, same thing, 2 marks. Then f, okay, we did working, it's all correct. We get same thing, 3 marks for that. And g, inverse of x, is 1 mark. Okay. Yeah. Now after that, we tackle question number 8. Just gonna find the SF, which is this over this. So the big one over small one, so we talk over 8, got 3 over 2. And then area of SF, okay, which is times it with bracket 3 over 2 squared. Then it should get us 9 over 4. And since it says that the area of triangle ABC is 16 cm squared and it's mathematically similar to PQR, you just do 9 over 4 times 16, which will get us 36 cm squared. And the next question, the triangle are the cross section of prism which are also mathematically similar. The area of a small prism is 320 cm cube. Calculate the length of the larger prism. We're just going to do k cube. Okay. K cube equal to 3 over 2. Just make it to decimal. 5 cube. And then you will get 3.375. Right? You times it with 320. 3.375. And then you get 1080. And since we want the length, we will divide with 36. Okay, then you get 30. Okay, B, a cylinder with radius 6 cm and height of 3 cm has the same volume as a sphere with the radius 4.5 cm. Find the value of H. This one first we do V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r 4.5 cube, which will get us 381.70. Okay, then 381.70 equal to, since we want the sphere, so it will be o equal to pi equal to pi r squared. Okay, r squared h, r squared h. H as the subject, h, and then 381.70 over pi r squared. The r radius is 6 cm, so times 6 cube plus 6 squared. H will equal to 3.375. 3.3. Okay, and then a solid metal cube of side 20 cm is melted down and made into 40 solid spheres. Each of radius is RCM. Find the value of R. So it's cube, so 20 cm, 40 solid spheres. So then we're just going to make it into 20 cube. Okay, 20 times 20 times 20. And then, okay, as a subject, 20 cube is equal to 40, since we want 40 solid spheres, times 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, and then you make r cube as a subject, and then 20 cube over 40 times 4 over 3 pi. Okay, then you find the cube root of it. Root 20 cube 40 times 4 over 3 pi. So then r, put it into calculator, and r will equal to 3.627, and then round it up, so 3.63. So r is equal to 3.63. Then a solid cylinder has a radius of x cm and a height of 7x over 2 cm. The surface area of the sphere with the radius r is equal to the total surface area of the cylinder. Find expression for r in terms of x. So first we're going to do a little illustration right here. Okay, so this one will be pi r squared. See what's down here. This one will be 7x2. So then we know that we do 2 pi r squared plus pi r, okay, plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus times times 7 x over 2, and then we make it equal to as 4 pi r squared. And okay, that's pi. So then we can cut this, and this, and we can cut this and this, and then we change the r into x. Except for this, we make it stay as r. So we will get 2 x squared, okay, plus, so it will be x times 7x, we get 7x squared equal to 4r squared. Then plus and then x squared is equal to 4r squared. After that, we make r as a subject, and it will be 9x squared over 4. Find the root of it. Okay, then we get 3x over 2. 3x over 2. And then now I want to point out some of the mistakes that people do when answering these questions. First, the function, especially this part. Okay, this part, right, where they confuse whether which one to put instead of which. Okay, for example, this fg, we have to put g instead of f. We have to put the function that came second inside the first, okay, not the first inside the second, which some people always do. Okay, some people always do. They mistake that you need to put f instead of g, which then will make it, this equation will be totally different. Okay, and then in this, okay, this, where is it? It's this one. Okay, either it's hx equal to 2 or h inverse equal to 2. Some people, instead of making equal to 2, they substitute the 2 inside x. That is wrong, okay, because they specifically said it's equal to 2, not h inverse or h is a function with the function of 2 inside. Okay, then going to this question, the SF, sometimes people instead of dividing 12 over 8, they make it 8 over 12. Okay, it will be different, and so then you get it wrong. Now I want to discuss the answer scheme for this. 8, yeah, 36. Though our working, is a bit different. Even though our working is a bit different, this should get you 2 marks, okay, which is full. And then 8a2, 30, right? We have our own working here. Okay, they should get us 3 marks, even though it's the different type of working from the answer scheme, but still, you still get the marks, okay, 3 marks. Then B and C. Okay, B and C. B 3.375. Okay, see, even though our working is a bit different, okay, our working is different, okay, different, but then it results in the same answer. Same answer, okay, so meaning we get the same 3 marks here. Same goes for 8C, okay, 8C also, even though our working is different, we still get the same answer, 3.60. Okay, and 8D last one, that is our working. Okay, it's our working, and if you check right here, get the same answer. Okay, see, it's the same. Okay, and that's all for my math projects for grade 10 semester 2 2021 mathematics. Okay, this has been it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.